just left my hostel. We are in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Gonna be here for 9 nights around Ho Chi Minh and the south, so let's explore. Church nearby, got coffee for 16,000 Vietnamese dong, which I'll put on screen how much that is. I arrived last night. I had a little walk around last night, but first time in Ho Chi Minh, first time in the daytime. I'm going to explore. I'm staying in the area called District 1, which is sort of, I'll show you the park soon. It's sort of based around this park, I think. I'm not an expert on Ho Chi Minh. We're going to learn together. This building. Very fancy. Yeah, we'll explore. So I'm in District 1. The airport's about 8 kilometers away and it cost 5,000 dong. Very cheap, like 20 cents Australian cents to get to close to my hotel on a blue bus. I'll put some details on the screen. I think it's 152 or something like that. Yeah, so it was pretty good. I also bought didn't want to get a SIM card, but I ended up getting a SIM card just so I can use Grab and Google Maps. I think Google Maps works okay without internet, but Grab, you need data for Grab. All right, so I'm gonna show you around here. I got the coffee. I'll get some food soon. Let's explore District 1. Let's go. Alright, if you look on the District 1 area of the map, you'll see this long green space that goes like 2-3 blocks. You'll see the name. I'll put the name of the park on the screen. I'm going to walk around that park now. I have been to Vietnam before, so it's not the first time in Vietnam. I did Da Nang, which is in the center of Vietnam, and went north. So this time I'm going to stay mainly around Ho Chi Minh. I just want to enjoy Ho Chi Minh, not get too technical and rushed with things, and maybe one other city. That other city I haven't decided yet. I'll wait for my girlfriend. She's going to come in 3 days and we'll do that together. So in Thailand, as I'm recording, it's the Songkran festival, so the flights were a bit more expensive to get out of Thailand. I try to get tricky with VPNs and stuff to try to get better flight prices, but yeah, flights away from Thailand were expensive, but it's vacation time in Thailand. Very cool to be back in Vietnam, very cool. I did have a banh mi last night. My first dinner was a banh mi, of course. Banh mi. But yeah, very cool. I'm curious what it's going to be like between Ho Chi Minh City, and Hanoi. Hanoi, I spent about 5 nights in Hanoi, so it'll be a good comparison. Let me know in the comments which one do you prefer, Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi, or you experts. I'm not an expert. They're probably both good, just different, yeah? Let me know. And here's the park. Last night there was a lot of people running, exercising, playing a weird, like, it almost looked like badminton with their feet, like a shuttlecock, but they were using their feet like football. Yeah, very busy last night here. A lot of hotels and hostels in the area of various prices. I'm staying on this side of the park. There's a lot on this side of the park. There seems to be more pubs and bars on this side of the park on Google Maps. Maybe that's more popular area of District 1. I'm not totally sure. Similar temperature to Bangkok on Google Maps, like 37 degrees is going to get today. Very hot. So it's now 10 past 10. Try to get everything done by lunchtime. Bit of trash in the park. A lot of trash in the park. Crossing the road. I don't take on the buses or the trucks, but the bikes are pretty good. The taxis are a bit impatient, so I sometimes don't take on the taxis. But yeah, just walk at a normal pace and they'll go around you. A GS25 for the Koreans. I think a lot of foreign friendly food will be here. With expat food. This is the area I said that seems to have more pubs and maybe more hotels, so this is maybe the more popular area of District 1. Tour agencies. (7-Eleven). found the party street, the walking street. That's where you're going to go drinking. I think so. It looks like that. A lot of fun, very extravagant exteriors. The one with the dragons, that was crazy. Looks so fun. Just here, this lady selling beer for 20 Vietnamese dong in the middle of the day. A lot of buy two get one free deals for happy hour. I think happy hour is most of the day. So yeah, that's the drinking street. We found the drinking street. If you're interested, I'm not going to drink now, but maybe we'll do a video later. I'll show you the drinking street another time. And it goes, looks like a lot more food options down this way. I see a lot of Indian food. It looks a lot for tourists, so you might be paying tourist prices for some of this stuff. So, but yeah, cool, very fun. Park continues, but we're gonna go under the park, and there's a food court under there. I just looked up. There's some aircon. Let's go check the food court out underneath the park. This little restaurant, Day by Day, or big restaurant. It's in the park area as well, so and I'm not getting my favorite meal, I'm getting maybe my second favorite meal. It's pretty good. When I had it in Da Nang, I really liked it, so you're gonna get that bit on the higher price, but you're paying for the scenery, I guess. Yeah, so I'll show you the food when we come, and then that's it. That will do for this morning. It's been 2 hours walking around District 1. I will show you more districts in Ho Chi Minh. I really give a tour. I'm not going to say I'm an expert in Ho Chi Minh. We're going to learn together about Ho Chi Minh together, yeah? I'm not going to pretend that I'm an expert like other people do. And we'll go to other cities. So please follow along. I'm going to try to do as many videos as I can here in Vietnam and enjoy it. I love Vietnam. It's a good vibe. Alright, see you guys next time. Alright, bonus footage. I have decided to come back to that walking street and show you the night time. But also I wanted to come too. I got a red saigon for 25,000 Vietnamese dong. I've come upstairs because I was sitting down there. Really nice pub down there, and 25,000 for the green one. But every minute someone would come and ask me about my shoes and if I needed my shoes fixed. So I thought I'd try to come upstairs and maybe not get talked to as much. They're not bad, but every minute a different person will come along, ask me about shoes or glasses or something like that. So I've come up to try to avoid them for a few minutes. We're in April and it's 10 to 6, the sun's still out, just. I remember when I was in Da Nang in October, at 5 o'clock it would be nighttime, so the day's a bit longer right now, and yeah, it's a good vibe. So I'll show you, I'm waiting for the sky to go black and I'll show you the street at night time, and that will be the end of the video.